Hello friends, I am Sim and welcome to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. Today I am going to draw a cute beautiful kite as Vasant Panchami is coming. So it's an Vasant Panchami special art. So let's start. First of all, we'll draw a rhombus like shape. Okay, so this is the shape of our kite. I am going to draw a beautiful bow here at the head of the kite to make it more beautiful. And add some colorful ribbons here. So these are the colorful ribbons that are attached to the bow of the kite. Now I am going to draw two beautiful eyes like this, and the nose, mouth, okay. Now I'm going to draw a bow again at the bottom. Now draw the hands. Okay, now we'll draw the string that is attached to the kite. Bows are made at the string of the kite to make it more attractive. Okay, so our cute kite drawing is complete. Now let's start coloring. Okay, so our cute kite drawing and coloring is complete. If you like my videos, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. For more such interesting videos, stay tuned to my channel. Till then, keep watching, keep creating. Okay, bye bye, take care.